The stones appear to be sanded on the edges, and they're fit very closely. On closer examination of the smaller stones, which were, say, I don't know, 100 pounds. Remember, any stone under, I would say, 50 pounds in their record was not fitted with these precision fittings. And I asked myself, why? Why not? Why would they not fit all their stones like that? Or their stone pathways that led through the empire? How come they weren't beautifully fitted? Well, I came to the conclusion that they needed to get a rope saw behind the stones and in front to make them fit. Now, when a layman looks at these huge stones, they think, wow, they've been cut all the way through to fit. That's not the case. When the Incas cut their stones were only the first 1 or 2 inches of these large stones as they meet the other stone right here. Only the first inch or 2 going inside mates with the next stone. The rest of the stone behind there is a hollow space of some sort. So they did not use a. If this were the thick stone right here, this whole area right here. Now we're looking down on it. We're looking down from right here on the thickness of the stone. Say we're on the first terrace and we're looking down. The stone would be cut like this. An adjacent stone would be cut like this. The area behind, this is the only part that mated right here in the front. And it could have only mated the first inch if they wanted to. It didn't matter to the Incans. They wanted them to look good, but behind they used backfill in all these empty spaces. Now, why would they have empty spaces if they were just going to, if they could just cut the whole thing beautifully? Well, they had to get behind this area right here with the rope right here. Now, when the stones were fitted, this is, say this gap here is a 1/2 inch. Okay? The 2 large stones were put in here a 1/2 inch apart. Say that we have a 1-ton stone here and or 20-ton stone here, and they were both just sitting together like this with a 1/2 inch gap. Okay?